Ano, because I've been so antiseptic. TGIS, Encantadia, Voltus 5. Gusto ko naman gumawa ng something na medyo papawisan at magagalit yung mga Lasal brothers sa akin.
Na out of the box din sa...
Na out of the box. But then again, I could have gone really crazy with this one and show skin, pero it wasn't needed. And then, kasi nga we're aiming for an R16 rating eh.
Oh, yun naman lang.
Yun nga. So, that's why we couldn't really go too sexy. Pero, the sexiness is there. It's in good taste. So, a lot more audience can watch it.
Pero naramdaman mo naman na parang game naman si Sian if ever pinaghubad mo siya.
Oh, nag-ano siya?
Nag-bat exposure.
Nag-ano siya, pero yung top exposure lang.
Yeah. Pero if ever, mukha namang
yeah, I think all of them, even sila kulit sila, but it's not needed in the film. It might even be a distraction eh. Baka instead na makatulong, makasama pa eh.
Si Ana kasi interested dun sa scene daw sa ilog ba yan?
Oo no. We wanted to mag-fight kasi crucial yung moment na yun eh. Pero if it comes out sexy, then okay. Eh hindi na namin nagawa kasi it was dangerous to go down to the river na at that point. So we did na lang on land. Pero maganda pa rin lumabas. Pivotal kasi yung scene na yun.
Saan ang pinalit sa scene na yun kung hindi natuloy?
Hindi sila nag-away sa river, sa Putikan, exactly.
Sexy din.
And then,
kaninong character yun?
they have their own level of sexiness. Like si Sanya, we had a rain scene, so she was wet, wearing the camisa chino. And then si Colleen was taking advantage of Sian, so nakabra lang siya. Si Faden nakabra lang din dun sa sa eksena nila ni Sian with a lot of kissing in the film. As far as that, yun. But believe me, after you watch it, you will be not talking about the sexy scene. You'll be talking about the story and how it was done, and yun ang papag-usapan.
Like, believable namang bad guy.
Yes, and kasi si Lucas kasi hindi siya brusco lang or what eh. Thinking siya eh. He's a thinking sexual predator eh. So, doon ka maiinis sa kanya na naisip niya lahat.
Siyempre, mahirap ka trabaho sa scene.
No, not at all. Not at all. And yun nga, it was easy for him to understand where I'm coming from kasi nga director. Hindi kami nahirapan. Sorry?
Wala siyang mga demand.
Wala. Yung some changes lang in schedule, but you'll understand him kasi nga, direct, can we do this? Kasi meron akong MediaCon for Love Die Repeat. There's a reason why we had to schedule for something. But other than that, I told nga GP, wala.
So, wala siyang nakikialam sa eksena.
No.
Kasi may mga chismis dati na gano'n eh.
Yeah, no.
Nagpapapalit siya ng dialogue.
No. Kung meron man, it's direct, can I say this? Kasi I feel comfortable. Para mga ganon. It's a natural flow lang. Ang daming very collaborative yung namin. Even the girls had their own inputs. Yung sinasabi ni Sanya hindi niya makwento kasi punchline yun na siya yung nag-isip na nung nilagay yun, tawan-tawa kami na ang gana na it's in the context of the So ganon. So yun nga, please, June 11.
Okay. June 12. Ano ba 11 ba?
June 11 is the premiere, June 12 is the show.
Thank you, Direk.
We introduce the director of the film. This film will not be made possible without its highly esteemed director, who is also behind the film's story and original concept. Let's introduce Direk Mark Reyes. Everybody, round of applause for the cast and director of Playtime. Palakpakan po natin sila. Ayan, okay, before you take your seat, okay, one group photo first. Compress muna tayo ng konti. Ayan. You only have 5 people on stage, so
One more.
this should be quick and
Smile and one more, 1, 2, 3, smile. Thank you.
on the other side.
Share itong Playtime sa inyo dahil talagang totoo yung sinabi ni Sian, napakaganda. Lahat ng mga nangyari dito ay talagang pinaghirapan namin. Lalo na ni Direk Mark. Siya talaga ang utang nito. Kaya, ayun, maraming salamat po talaga sa pagpunta ninyo.
Avisala, thank you for being here on this hot Saturday afternoon. Again, I mean, it sounds cliche when they say that we worked hard for the film. Pinaghirapan namin to. Literally, itong pelikula na to talagang pinaghirapan ng 4 na to. Madaming takbuhan, talunan, fight scenes, and mga stunts na dumaan dito sa, na dinaanan nila sa pelikulang ito. But like what Sian said, that it's about time to bring back something like this. This kind of genre was, he will understand kung anong gusto mo, kung anong kailangan mo. He will even give inputs and it will make the project better. I guess everyone in this stage will tell you that this film was not a one-man driven movie. It was very collaborative. I want to share something. In the middle of the shoot, it wasn't in the script that Lucas, the character of Sia, was there, and then magkasama na si Patricia, at saka si Patricia played by Faye, and then ni Ronnie by Tulin. And then they go to me, because they're, these ladies are alpha characters, alpha personalities. They go, Derek, if we're together now, we're gonna try to beat him. So I go, to my mind, he has a gun there, but I realize, oh man, you will try to beat him up. Sige, let's put it, so we added a fight scene. Doon makikita ng audience na hindi nila kakayanin si Sian. They will tell you physically, Sian has the easiest time to lifting both girls and slamming them on the wall and putting them on the floor. Parang that put them in their place. And then, well, Sian could easily hurt these girls, but he was very careful, and then he knows, even in the sexy moments, he knows the limitations, he knows how to take care of the scene partner. Yeah, I think not only because he's an actor's actor, but because he's a director. And then ang dami naming napaka-difficult na eksena dito, which I already told them in the story ko na, okay, this is not a walk in the park, ha? This is not a rom-com drama that will be walking somewhere and then you're talking in the beach or having coffee in a cafe. It's not that kind of film. Dito talagang mahihirapan kayo. Sinabi ko na yon, so they know what they expected. But I don't know if they know the degree of how difficult it was. We were shooting in the middle of December. Thank God it wasn't that hot yet. But we were basically always out. We were also the exterior, palagi kami. Siguro 80% of the film is exterior, 20% lang ang interior. So yun. So I'm very glad that that my lead actor was also a director that understood and he knew how to play the game. So nagrito, and sabi ko nga natatakot ako kasi she's the first lady of GMA. Tapos I'm gonna do this to her. So that was the tightrope I was walking on. And then Faye had her sexy sequence, Colleen had her sexy sequence, so all of them, and then Sian also, of course, out of respect, I don't know how far he is willing to go, because let's not think na it's only that you might offend the female, but even the male actors, you have to understand their sensibilities. So it's that this whole sexy upside of this thriller is the one that really took me off my game, and buti na lang, I have actors, like what I said. So we got through it.
Bouncing off that, Derek, would you say that sex/seduction is a plot catalyst in this film? Is it?
It is because they got into the situation because they were sexually attracted to Lucas, to the character of Sian. But what I want to share is that it's just a common of the film because it's actually a study of personalities. These girls got into trouble, but should they automatically trust each other? What if someone has an ulterior motive? Ito yung masarap sa pelikula. It's a thinking game na, it's a kind of film na pagkapanood nyo na natapos na namin, I wanna watch it again kasi saan nanggaling yung sinabi ni or kailan ito nangyari yung ganong type. We really tried. It took me months to edit it, to make it feel that way. Na sometimes it's not written. By the way, before I forget, I did not only write, I just embellished the script of Noreen Capili and Dustin Celestino. They're the ones that they really were the ones that developed the story of my concept, but they wrote the script. I just embellished and added. Actually, if for writing credits, dapat isama na itong 4 na to kasi nga, it was a very collaborative film that it expanded to that.